How to create dual apps in Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, suppose if you want to create a dual application for Messenger, hit dual settings. Now choose the option of dual app if it is available on the settings section. If not, tap search bar and type in dual. Or if you don't find searching dual, you need to search for clone. And then you will find App Cloner. Open it. So the option might be different for different kind of Android devices. So here under recommended, there are different kind of application. If you wish to make a Messenger, open Messenger and make sure that you toggle the button on for Create App Clone. So as you can see that currently I'm not being able to create app clone because there is no sufficient storage. So you need to remember that you must have more than 5% of free storage to create dual apps. If you have free storage, then you can toggle the button on and create dual apps in Android phone. That's it. I hope this guide worked. Thanks for watching.